These are the 10 most beautiful places in the USA, and number 1 looks unreal. 10. Niagara Falls, New York, one of the world's most powerful waterfalls. 9. Yellowstone National Park, famous for geysers, wildlife, and colorful hot springs. 8. Antelope Canyon, Arizona, a stunning sandstone canyon with magical light beams. 7. Havasu Falls, Arizona, crystal clear turquoise waterfalls in the middle of the desert. 6. Glacier National Park, Montana, snow-capped mountains and breathtaking lakes. 5. Great Smoky Mountains, America's most visited national park. 4. Yosemite National Park, California, home to giant cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoias. 3. Grand Canyon, Arizona, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. 2. Maui, Hawaii, tropical beaches, waterfalls, and scenic drives. 1. Alaska, Denali National Park, America's wildest landscape with glaciers, wildlife, and North America's tallest